Guide, Airport and Accommodation. Instructions. Part 1, a check-in security. Hello, I have a booking. I am here to check in. Here is my passport. I have one suitcase to check. I have a carry-on bag. Is my flight on time? What is the gate number? Where is the security check? I need a window seat, please. I need an aisle seat, please. This is my boarding pass. Excuse me, where is gate A10? How many bags can I carry on? Do I need to pay for this bag? My bag is over the weight limit. Can I have a seat with more leg room? Where can I get a luggage cart? I have a connecting flight to London. Is the flight fully booked? When does boarding start? This is for personal use. Nothing to declare. My liquids are in a clear bag. Do I need to take off my shoes? Thank you for your help. Instructions. Part 1. B. Hotel Interactions. I have a reservation under the name. What time is check-in? What time is check-out? Is breakfast included? Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? What is the Wi-Fi password? My room key is not working. The air conditioning is too cold. The air conditioning is too warm. There is no hot water. The toilet is not flushing. Can I have more towels, please? Could you clean my room, please? Is there a safe in the room? Can I store my luggage here after checkout? Can you recommend a good restaurant? How do I get to the city center? I would like to pay my bill. Can I pay by credit card? Thank you, everything was great. Instructions. Part 1. See unexpected travel changes. My flight has been delayed. My flight has been canceled. What are my options? Can I get a refund? Where is the information desk?